This is my week 9 lab for the DICE lab. The goal was to create a program where you can auto generate a dice roll and have what it landed on be represented by 6 or 7 LEDs. So I have 6 LEDs, 1 through 6. So 1 starting closest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 6 LED for the 6th side. So I had imported all of my necessary modules, including from random import random integer. I declared all my variables for my button and my 6 LEDs. And then I put the LEDs inside a list and a placeholder for 0, since it'll be, since the range will be 1 through 6 for the sides, and there's no 0 sides. And then I have a counter for the button pushes to reset after each roll. And then I have a function to reset the light values for any of them, so so they could all be off. The only one will be on at a time, but I was having issues calling from the list to declare all of them with the a value function. So while true, if the button value, or if the button is pushed, it'll have the counter, so the count equals count plus 1 for increasing. If the count is divisible by 2 and it is not equal 0, so if the count is an odd number, it will do the random integer from sides 1 through 6, and I put that in a simple variable for x, and then I put print your dice toss print, and then your dice toss landed on, and then the x variable, and then time sleep for the serial monitor, and then LED x.value, so whatever value this one pulls, it'll be inserted in here and call it from the previous list, and that one will light up. Else the x equals 0, and then it'll print roll dice again to see what you get, and then the delay time, and then the light reset for them to be false. So this is what it looks like when my program is running. So I will push the button, and all these wires, and so on the screen it says your dice toss landed on 3, so 1, 2, 3, and then if I push it again, it says roll dice again to see what you get, and then it resets the light, and then I can push it again, your dice toss landed on 2, so 1, 2, and then I can do it again. So I push again, sets off the light, goes back to prompt the user to roll again to see what they get. So this time I accidentally double clicked. This time I got 3, and then I accidentally double clicked, so it reset it. And then I can press again, 1, reset, 6, 6, reset, 1, and then reset, and then I can just keep doing that. Six, 2, 6, 1, 1, 2, 5, 6, reset it by accident, 2, I need to stop clicking it on like that, 4, and 3. So, and then I can just keep going and going.